Let's eat some leftover Denny's. Berry Slam waffles. Soggy hot waffles hitting right now. The leftover eggs kind of turned brown. Hot apple cider. Eggs and syrup is a slept-on combo. Got the maple stuffed donut holes with the icing. That's not icing, that's buttercream. Buttercream belongs on the waffle. Here's the icing. There we go. Warming these donut holes up in the microwave made them so good. They're perfectly gooey on the inside. Just not enough maple though. Ooey and gooey combination. Still too hot. That was so good, I'm gonna go get some pizza now.